Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the main and cover screen brightness on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a simple yet important feature that can help you optimize your viewing experience. Now let's begin. First, navigate to the home screen and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, tap on display. Once you're in the display menu, navigate to the brightness section. There, you should see two separate sliders for the main screen and cover screen. To adjust the brightness level for the main screen, simply drag the main screen slider left or right. Dragging the slider to the left reduces the screen brightness, and dragging to right increases it. To adjust the brightness level for the cover screen, just drag the cover screen slider left or right accordingly. You can also adjust the screen's brightness level straight from the home screen. To do so, simply swipe down from the top of the screen to launch the quick settings or notification panel. Once you're in the panel, locate the brightness slider and then drag it to the left or right accordingly. And that's it. A quick tutorial on how to adjust the main and cover screen brightness on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, adjusting your screen brightness not only enhances your viewing experience, but also helps conserve battery life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.